Hello guys, welcome back to another Lumley trading video. In this one we're going to be doing some in-depth stock analysis on Goldman Sachs, ticker GS. So it has just had its earnings. It is down 7 or over 7% on the day. So what are we looking at going forward? So again, if we were trading for technicals, we most likely would have catched this kind of pullback coming into earnings. But again, playing earnings is always a risk. But the reason for that was at 367, we did have our first deviation on the 1-year chart. So we hit that breakthrough, by about 5 or so points, and then we had our big pullback today. Now, where do we expect this to continue to? So we can say we are heading into our statistical mean at 340 on the 1-year chart, but we can also see we have our other statistical mean at $360. So if you watch these videos, you know I never like to trade within the ranges of these statistical means, because basically statistical means is just fair value. So trading in there, at least from how I trade, I have no edge when trading within this range, and I'm never looking to trade. But what I am waiting for is if we can break lower from $334, there is a bit more of a buying opportunity. Now, this is very close to our statistical mean, so this would be more if I was holding it short through earnings. Maybe I did a butterfly spread coming into it. My target would probably be more towards that $334, but not one I'll be looking to buy just because it's so close to that statistical mean. So maybe there's a bit of a day trading opportunity, but definitely nothing I'm looking to swing. But if we can break lower from 316, this is where my buying opportunities will come, because there's definitely some good risk to reward from both the day and swing trading outlook. If we break lower, 305 would be that next level. Going any lower would be 290. 277, and final levels taking us down to around 266, 250, and a final one at 240. So again, these are supports. Overall, markets are quite weak. Obviously, it has just had a bad earnings report. Probably keep it a bit more bearish. So we are paying more attention to these supports. But if we do start to bounce and break to the upside, we do have resistances at around 390. Now, this is what I'll be paying attention to. 1-year high. It is also our first deviation of both the 6 months and the 1 year, so really 3 key points, kind of 3 reasons for entry. I would imagine as well also I will get oversold coming into this level, so that's what I'm really paying attention to. If we can push to the upside, definitely something I'll be looking at for a swing short. If we did break this though, we would have a target of around 416, but again, I'm paying more attention to the downside on this because again, probably easier to catch because it's more likely to happen. And yeah, it's just probably more likely outcome. But again, I don't really trade. I don't care if it goes to the up or downside. I just trade on, is there a good opportunity there? If there is, then I'll trade it. Again, I don't have much bias on the direction until I'm actually in the trade. And again, it's not in an opportunity area where I want to trade. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the breakdown of Goldman. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe and check out this analysis video.